Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Tasfia from Tasfia by Tasfia, and a happy rainy day to you all from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I mean, it's raining for the whole day. The weather is amazing, but I feel like sleeping. I think you're feeling that too. So I'm here to talk about what happened after that, of that RYC Global thing. And if you're wondering what am I talking about, you can just check the description below. I'm putting the link here of that first video. And if you're here for the recipe, please skip this part. The recipe is on the next part of this video. Okay? So as I said that I participated on RYC Global online public speaking competition, which I messed up. According to me, I could do much more better, but according to them, probably it was quite good because I got selected. I got selected from 1400 participants from 8 nations, and they selected for the first round only 128. So I was really very happy because I wasn't expecting this. I mean I spoke what I felt like. I wasn't prepared at all. It was all impromptu, and I was really glad to be selected. Yeah. And then what they did, there were four teams, if I'm not wrong. So in the 4 teams, we were given in every team there was like 32 members, total 128, and we were in the team David, which was the pros team. If I'm not wrong, the organizers are from college. I'm guessing they're done with college, or they're of their university's first year maybe, but they're great, really. I mean, Dipro is a really great mentor. Even if he's junior of mine, he is like a great person. As a person, he is great because he tried his best to like make everything easier for us. He took sessions in Zoom. He shared video links of public speakers, which were really helpful. So thank you so much, Dipro, for this. However, you will be sad to know that there was actually no, what do I call it, situation in my house for certain reasons, because you know what is the situation right now. And so like I got the topic was really interesting. The topic was like, okay, in short, the topic was like, if you were about to die as a leader of something that you have done for good but it wasn't good ethically, then what it would be your speech for 150 seconds. So I kind of took preparation for that, and I dressed up for it and got ready, joined the Zoom meeting, and then somehow couldn't feel like doing because as I'm saying that there was no situation. Ammu got really sick, and that kind of hurt me mentally. But however it is, I felt really good meeting all these people from different nations, because our team was with 32 members and multi-talented people, I must say. So I'm putting the picture over here that we took in the second round before starting our speeches. I could see the speech from till number 10, and then I just left the Zoom meeting. Mine was 25, but then again, it feels really good. Like a lot of thanks to the organizers, because I really loved the idea, meeting all those people and then talking to them, seeing them speaking, and the Zoom session that Dipro took. Thanks a lot for that. Hope to meet you soon in maybe some other competitions, and it will be coming. A lot of opportunities would come, I know, but this will be very special to me forever. So now let's get into the recipe. And if you're liking my videos, you can put a thumbs up, you can comment, you can subscribe too, and thank you so much for watching. সো এখানে যদি মাকে একটা রেসিপি নেই, বাট আমি বলে দিচ্ছি, 1 কাপ ময়দা নেব, সেই 1 কাপেরই হাফ কাপ, মানে সেই একই কাপ নিয়ে হাফ কাপ নেব কোকো পাউডার, তারপর দুটোকে মিক্স করে আলাদা রেখে দেবো। তারপরে আরও একটি সেম কাপেই আমি 1 কাপ দুধ, দুটো ডিম, হাফ কাপ চিনি, ভ্যানিলা এসেন্স সবগুলোকে একসাথে মিক্স করে নেব। তারপর কোকো পাউডার আর ময়দার মিক্সচারটা দিয়ে দেবো, সেটাকে মিক্স করার পরে দিয়ে দেবো 1 চামচ, তারপর দিয়ে দেবো 1 চামচ বাটার, অ্যান্ড দেন তার মধ্যে দিয়ে দেবো একটু কফি এবং বেকিং পাউডার, সবগুলোকে একসাথে মিক্স করে 15 মিনিটস টু 10 মিনিটস বেক করে নেব। অ্যান্ড অবভিয়াসলি এটা একটি মাগে নিয়ে নিয়েছিলাম, তাই শেপটা এরকম আসছে। এরপরে একটু চকলেট আর কফি মিক্স করে সেটাকে একটু লিকুইড করে উপরে দিয়ে দেবো, অ্যান্ড রেডি আওয়ার মা কেক। লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব।